Good morning. This is Vijay Vodakbalkar from Healthy Lifestyle and Abundance Expert from Mumbai. And my brand name is Eat to Live. Eat moderately. Eat natural food. Be close to the nature. Mind your breath, eating habits, thinking habits, and you will have absolutely grand health. Yes, that's my promise to you from my Eat to Live community. And if you want to be part of my community, all you have to do is uh, click the link below, for my subscription of my healthy lifestyle videos, where almost every alternate day I'll be posting on this brand, Eat to Live, a video on how to live healthy lifestyle. It's all about you, and I have to give in brief. I'm diabetes educator from Indo-Vietnam Medical Board, and I have cured my own diabetes. Yes, I've cured my own type 2 diabetes, 5-year-old type 2 diabetes, where I've not only lost by eating whole food, plant-based food, by breathing right, by meditating right. I've changed the way I think, the way I breathe, the way I eat natural foods, and I have stopped my medications, all my medications, be it metformin, be it tablet for my high blood pressure, be it tablet for my thyroid, all is a thing of the past. So can you do it if you follow me on this channel. Therefore, not only subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will continue to get my videos on the subject. Coming today's topic, which is very close to my heart, is if you eat green food, and the color green comprises in the food I'm referring to, comprises of chlorophyll, my dear friends, chlorophyll, which is a chemical composition and whose chemical compounds are equivalent or similar to hemoglobin in the blood. So, my dear friends, by eating greens, leaves, just leaves, you are changing, you are changing the quality of your blood. Yes. So let's start with, there are 3 types of green leaves I am recommending, and just understand, just know about it, then put into practice, and then gain extraordinary good health. Because green health, which is green leaves, contain chlorophyll, and which has the property of removing all lifestyle related diseases, be it your high weight, high blood pressure, thyroid, gout, or diabetes type 2, heart disease, everything. So if you eat 10 to 15 curry leaves, curry leaves, or in Marathi we call it kadi patta. If you eat 10 to 15 kadi patta every single day in your 3 meals, whether it is breakfast, lunch, or dinner, then you will not only gain, you will get your quality of blood change, and so if you have a problem of hair fall, remember to do this at least twice, if not thrice. Eat 10 to 15 leaves of curry patta, curry leaves. Yes, sounds so simple, right? But curry patta are loaded with health benefits and are definitely recommended for hair fall, to prevent hair fall problem. Then comes the second kind of leaves you can eat is dhania patta or kothimir as we call it in Marathi. You know mm, it has really coriander leaves are excellent for cleansing your kidneys. And my dear friends, do you know the importance of kidneys? How important kidneys are? Your kidneys are purifying the blood, entire blood of your body twice in every 1 hour of your living, right from the time you are born till such time you pass away. That means how important kidneys are, and especially the kidneys patients who comes to us. It has been recommended if they take the coriander leaves juice, dhania patta juice, then kidneys are cleansed up and they start functioning normally. Yes, that is the kind of magic coriander leaves has. So you can have them with, beet juice or carrot juice or any other food, breakfast items. You make poha, whatever. You can spread coriander leaves on top of it and eat them consciously. Develop the habit consciously of eating them every single day in two, if not 2 meals, 3 meals a day. Then comes pudina leaves. I recommend highly pudina leaves. Pudina leaves or mint leaves are very good for gut bacteria. And gut bacteria is 85% of body's immunity depends on the quality of food that your gut bacteria eats. And they don't like your junk food. They like, you know what? They like the food made by nature, whole food, plant-based. That is why we are recommending you, uh, to eat whole food, plant-based food, and especially the greens, the leaves we are talking about. So the concoction of jeera, ajwain, then soap and tulsi leaves, you can make it, you can boil it in hot water and then take this as a tea, you know. So the, it's a matter, you don't need to diet, my dear friends. You need to change your lifestyle, you know. You be aware of, become, gain the knowledge and have the discipline. Tell me, is it difficult to eat 10 to 15 leaves of curry patta, dhania, and pudina? Certainly not. You can. It is a matter of developing a daily discipline of eating these leaves, and many of our customers have reported their sugar has, their weight has lost, their sugar problem, their sugar has become normal. Then they do not have any kind of lifestyle diseases. So by simple changing your one habit of eating green leaves, you can have a grand health. So try it out today itself and report to me, report to us, and give your views. Do not forget to share this video amongst all your friends and relations, and don't forget to subscribe the bell icon again so that you continue to get a video on the subject every third day from me. With this promise, I leave you behind, wishing you a grand day and grand health, youth, and eternal youth, eternal life, and a healthy life. Thank you.